Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen spatial head unit for Toyota Avalon 2013 to 2018 years. You can check this front US interface. Okay, it comes with a spatial harness and decoder canvas box. This decoder canvas box. Okay, and this connector. Okay, so plug and play. This volume button and this knob button. GPS and SD card reset microphone. This built-in DVD player. You can choose the time. You can change this color. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You also can choose Toyota. This home button. All apps are here. The link app for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. We check settings. Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot from your phone. And this PX5 Android 10 system. Okay. Back button. Personal settings. LED settings. You can change this color, green. Buttons. Any color you can adjust this panel. Red, choose blue. Okay. And this DSP amplifier. Sub control. Okay, firstly let me introduce Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Click search button. Put the 40. Okay, change the color connected, show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, this is streaming music from your phone. You can check the music. This is radio. Okay, change the and built in the Google Maps. This home button and let show the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the driving settings, turn on watching video, and play video from USB. Okay, it's built in the DVD player. Please take out the two screws before installing on top of head unit. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. That's all. Thank you.